What a gorgeous Sunday. Sitting in the backyard, in front of a fan, and the shade. Got my little kiddie pool, and it's just gorgeous. So Leipzig's. So, and now I have to work on some of my work. Isn't it awesome? Just to sit here in this beautiful nature and crochet. This is just a yay! And here come the crows. Yep, enjoying a couple of bird seeds. They come quite often in the yard. Up there they go. And here are the squirrels. They are so cute to watch. And it's unbelievable. They're just like a few feet away from me. I'm laying underneath these trees. And they just come around. When one looked at me, it's like, what is going on? Check him out. Up. Now you see me. Now you don't. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! I'm almost there. Check her out. What is she doing? She's just laying there. She's got this black thing in her hand. Oh well. Hey, I found me some grub. Yeah, what you talking about, Willis? This is just too good. Having me some goodies. And this little beaut, whoop, there goes. A little woodpecker. Yep. They're just feet away from me. But I'm laying underneath this tree, watching nature. Some of the cardinals coming to the birdhouse. Dong, da dong, da dong, da dong. Oh, I got itch. Okay. All right. I'm going back down. Or am I? Yep, I'm going down. Hello. Down, 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 down. I found some to eat. Oh yeah. Munch, 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 munch. Munch, 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 munch. Bum, 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 bum. Up I go, up I go. Do-do-do-do. What's that? What's that? Hello? Oh, looky. There's two of them. Oops. Off I go. Blim, 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 blim. Hello. Yes, I'm sitting in the shade. Do you think he will see me if I sneak up on him? I don't know. I want a bite of that too. Aww, look at me. Ain't I so cute? Yeah, take a close-up of me, will ya? Yep. Ah, we just love it in the Nichols yard. Hmm? Yep. They take good care of us. They feed us. They let us come every day, play in the beautiful yard. Yep. I think we're here to stay. Wow, there's 2, there's 3. Oh, here comes another one. Mother Nature at its finest. Dum, dum. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, missed that one. Yeah, and I'm a little female cardinal. Just pecking a couple of seeds. Munch, munch, munch. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Well, see you later, Gators. Oh, wanna play hide and seek? Dun, 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 dun. Come and get you. Come and get you. What? What are they doing? Itch, 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 itch. We hope you enjoyed watching the Squirrel Show and Tina's Afternoon Delight. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later, Gators. Bye-bye.